Hi, and thank you for joining me on Patreon. So, if you're new to Patreon, Patreon is a way that you can support your favorite artists. There's a series of different tiers, and you can support them to create content or to continue to create content. There are a variety of rewards that you get at each tier, and you can select from $1 up to however much you want to pledge. The reason why I created a Patreon page is that I already create content for free, and I want to continue to be able to do that. So with my YouTube videos, with the podcast, with the blog, and to provide resources and things that you can access that will allow you to dive into your creativity. That's what it's all about. I feel that creativity is something that we all need to have access to. And it's not necessarily just the visual arts, it's whatever you feel that you are, attracted to. But obviously my thing is visual arts. And so I want to continue making content, and I will continue making content. And even if you don't pledge, you will always find free content on my podcast, on my YouTube channel, and on my blog. If you'd like to pledge now, you would be able to, for as little as $1 a month, you will receive a variety of different rewards. You would see content that is just exclusively for patrons, and you will be able to access videos and other content as well, just for patrons. And it's almost like taking out a membership. You take out a membership, you do a course, and that's exclusively for you. So I thought I would create this platform for those people who, say, look, I would love to support an artist in this way, and there are many different types of artists on Patreon. As I said, have a look through some of the tiers to see what the rewards are. And as I said, I think it's vitally important that we can find ways to tap into our creativity. Some people don't have the means to do that, and I feel that I think it's vitally important. I think it's vitally important for everybody to be able to spend some time being creative. And by you supporting me on Patreon, you're enabling me to continue to do that and continue to provide resources and materials, and especially things that will link the use of art especially the things that will enable us to find that connection between art and the way that it can improve our health and well-being. So thank you for coming on this journey. Thank you in advance, and I look forward to joining you on the Patreon platform. The links are in the description. And just remember, create every day, do something every day. There will be hints and tips and lots of other lovely things. We're creating a community here on Realityarts platform, and I would love you to join me. So thank you, and I'll see you soon.